In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable Memory Saver in Canva. If you use the Canva desktop app, especially on a computer that doesn't have a lot of RAM, you might notice things slowing down when you have multiple designs or browser tabs open. Memory Saver is a built-in setting that helps Canva use your computer's resources more efficiently, so your app feels smoother and more responsive. In this walkthrough, I'll show you exactly where to find that option and how to turn it on. First, open the Canva desktop app and make sure you're signed into your account. Once you're in, look toward the top right corner of the screen for the main menu where your account options live. Here, you'll see an option labeled Settings. Go ahead and click on Settings. This area is where you manage all the behind-the-scenes controls for your Canva account and app behavior. When the settings page opens, you'll see several categories down the side. From here, you want to move into the section that controls your personal account details and app preferences. Look for the option labeled Your Profile and click on it. This brings you into a page focused on your individual account rather than billing or team settings. Inside your profile, scroll through the different sections until you find one labeled Desktop App Performance. This is where Canva groups the options that affect how the desktop app runs on your device. Take a moment to locate the toggle or switch specifically labeled Memory Saver. Now, to enable Memory Saver, simply toggle that switch on. When you turn this on, Canva will automatically adjust how it uses your system's memory in the background. This can help reduce lag, especially if you like working with many designs at once, or if you're running other programs while using Canva. After switching it on, there's nothing else you need to do. The change takes effect right away, and you can continue designing as usual. If you ever feel like your computer is struggling less, or the app feels smoother, there's a good chance Memory Saver is helping. If, for any reason, you notice unexpected behavior after enabling it, you can always return to the same desktop app performance section and toggle Memory Saver off again. That's all there is to it. By turning on Memory Saver in Canva, you're giving your desktop app a better chance to run efficiently, especially on busy or lower powered machines.